Alright, so this is Fancy. And Fancy has what might look like, at first, an issue about loading in a horse trailer. But I promise you it has nothing to do with the horse trailer. What it has to do with is her ability to be curious under pressure, so that she can investigate and she can use that curiosity to build her or get her through the pressure. And so the pressure is going to be me asking her to go forward. There just happens to be a trailer right here in her forward movement. Just the same as if there was a tarp right here, or a muddy bog, or a log, or maybe a little stream or a river. She would have the same resistance because her ability to seek the curiosity is what's stuck, not about getting in the trailer. So we're going to give Fancy here an opportunity to see if she can get curious to get into the trailer. So it's about curiosity, not the trailer. This has absolutely zero to do with the trailer. All right, we're gonna put a little pressure, ask her to come forward. And what we want her to do is just that right there, put her nose down and get curious. Because if she can get curious, she can talk herself into this trailer. But see, now she's backed up, she's leaving the trailer. She's kind of thinking she's out of here, so a little more pressure. We want her to come up. See if she can get curious. Hey. Pretty nice, but then she bailed. So we got to get her in the trailer because it's raining and I don't want my saddle to get wet, but we'll see what we can do. Right back out again. Now we're just going to keep replaying this until she can stay in and be confident. So see, she's not getting curious at all about the trailer. She's just rushing in, spinning, and coming out. She's not licking and chewing except for out here. I need her to touch the sides of the trailer and get curious about what's going on in the trailer. Now, look at all this concern. She's worried about behind her. Oh, hey, there's a change of behavior. Woo! Panic. We're going to just ask her right back. Here's something different. Now we need her to lick and chew to seek that mental relief, get that dopamine release right here in the trailer, because she stopped her mind from getting out of the trailer, which stopped her feet from getting out of the trailer. Because we want her to choose to stay in the trailer, that she'll seek her own mental comfort in the trailer. It's not about getting her in the trailer and then closing the door. It's about her mentally being okay with being in the pressure, which in this case is just a trailer. Could be standing on a tarp, could be standing in the water, could be standing on concrete or asphalt or anywhere that she's uncomfortable. So you got to get their mind to do it first, then you can get their body and their feet. So mentally she had to relax and keep her mind in the trailer before she could keep herself in. So let's try it again. Come out. Okay, there's the licking and chewing again. She chose to stay in the trailer. We'll just keep building this belief, keep building these dendritic connections in her mind. So each time she gets in the trailer and stays in the trailer, she'll fire a little synapse, a neuron connection in her mind that tells her, just hold it, just hold still. Then the dopamine comes in and reinforces that dendritic connection and makes it even stronger. So each time we can set this up for her, we'll just keep showing her in her mind that she's calm and she's relaxed and she can feel safe in the trailer. It's about safety. It has nothing to do with a trailer or a tarp or mud or a river or a log. It has to do with safety. Her feeling mentally safe. There's licking and chewing again, so she's down regulating. The licking and chewing, the dopamine release, is her transitioning out of the sympathetic nervous system to the parasympathetic, which is rest, relax, and digest. The sympathetic is fight, flight, and that's what you saw going on. Lots of flight, in and out of the trailer, in and out, in and out. Looking for that mental relief. She just had to slow her mind down enough that she could get a dopamine release, which will reinforce that that's where the better place to be is. Let's check it out again. So there, we're out of the trailer. We'll let her lick and chew right here. Just let her kind of come down, make sure she's nice and relaxed. So there's the dopamine release. And the more dopamine releases that I can cue her to find, like I just gave her a cue to get out of the trailer. And then I wait for her to decide that she's okay. She gets the dopamine. I'll cue her to get in the trailer. Wait for her to mentally relax to know that she's okay. And then I'm just going to wait for her to lick and chew, which will be the dopamine release, the down regulation, which tells her the dopamine rewards behavior. So I'm just telling her what behavior I want her to reward herself for. I give her the release, she got in the trailer, then she has to have the time to seek mental relief, which is process what just happened and come down from it. Then she'll get the dopamine, which tells her, do that again. All right, there's 3 times. One more time. Come out. We're going to let her lick and chew right here and relax. So there it is. We've got her mind down regulating. So that means her mind is engaged. Her mind is here with me and with her to do stuff. Earlier, her mind was way out in front of her, out of the trailer, in the trailer, out of the trailer. Her mind was everywhere, but in a learning mode. So we'll ask her back in. See if she comes out. Now she wants to stay in because she knows she's going to get this dopamine release. The dopamine feels good. It rewards behavior. The behavior is stay in the trailer, relax in the trailer. So there's the dopamine release. So she's rewarding herself for the behavior I'm setting her up to find, which is relax in this pressure, which we call a trailer. She has no idea this is a trailer. This is just pressure. It's a box. It's a cave. It's just pressure, somewhere she doesn't feel safe. We can talk her into feeling safe enough times in there with the dopamine. Trailer loading will be easy. All right. That's your horse hack for today. It's not about the trailer or anything else for that matter. It's about safety. All your horse wants to know is it safe with whatever is going on? So if you can answer those questions, like I just answered her questions, that it's safer in the trailer than out of the trailer. So now she wants to stay in. Then you can accomplish about anything.